Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to mix nicotine into your vape juice. Alright, so this is super simple. You're only going to need two things and I recommend a third. The first thing you're going to need is vape juice. I'm using a purple mixed berry by Dead Rabbit Society and a Nick shot. Keep in mind that it's important you have the same VG-PG ratio on both, so this is 70-30, this is 70-30. It's only important because you basically want the same consistency throughout your juice. You don't want to be mixing it up. Third thing I recommend, again totally optional but it is pretty helpful, is one of these, a cap opening tool for juice bottles. So this is basically just used for opening up the cap off a bottle of juice. If you don't have this, don't worry, you can use anything. If you're strong enough, you can use your fingernails, you can use a pair of scissors, anything you can find really, as long as you get the juice open. It doesn't matter how. This just makes it a lot easier. Like I said, if you don't have a cap opening tool, you can use a pair of scissors or anything like that. What you want to do is you just want to be able to hook the blade underneath this and pull it up. If you do have a cap opening tool though, it's a lot easier. You just put this around the neck, slide it up here, and then pop it off. Next, you want to open up your Nick shot. Take off this part so it doesn't fall in. Now, you can add the juice like this, but that might just take you a while. So, if you have a pliers handy or anything you can use to take off the top of this, then do. Don't recommend doing this with your teeth because if it gets into your mouth, it can be dangerous, it hurts, and it just tastes disgusting. Now, all you want to do is just pour it in like this. Put the cap back on. Lift the lid of the bottle and then give it a good shake for a few minutes. Make sure the nicotine is properly mixed through. So there you go guys, bottle of juice, nicotine mixed in, ready to vape. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did enjoy. Turn the notifications on because I will be posting soon. So yeah, thanks for watching.